told you, my name is Priya Agrawal. I'm your new maths educator at this brand new Unacademy Class 7 channel where you can get your each and every stuff related to your studies at the same place. I'm a BCA graduate. I'm having around 2.5 years of teaching experience. I have mentored more than 2000 plus students for NTSE and CBSE over offline and online mediums. तो चलो ये तो हो गई मेरी बात. अब स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना चैप्टर. आर यू गाइस रेडी? Okay, just thumbs up, just tell me, just boost up your energy and check. We will going to start a new chapter. I'm just full of energy and I need you guys should also be full of energy to learn this chapter completely. And believe me, this chapter is really very interesting and easy as well. So yeah guys, let's start. So today in this video I'm going to cover all these 4 topics. First is what are fractions? Fractions क्या होते हैं? Fractions notations, fraction के parts क्या हैं? Multiplication of fraction. As we have all learned कि multiply हम कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं. Here we will going to learn about multiplication of fraction, and at the last we will going to learn about division of fraction. So yeah, shall we start now? Okay, very good. So yeah, this is our for topic 1, that is what are fractions. So guys, as the chapter name is fraction and decimals, तो हमें ये चीज अच्छे से पता होनी चाहिए कि फ्रैक्शन क्या है, डेसिमल क्या है. तो अभी हम बात करेंगे फ्रैक्शंस की. तो अब हमें ये पता नहीं है फ्रैक्शन वर्ड कहाँ से आया. फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज फ्रैक्शन, आया कहाँ से ये वर्ड फ्रैक्शन. So बच्चों, the word fraction has been derived from the Latin word fractus, which means broken. अब आपसे कोई भी कभी भी पूछे कि ये फ्रैक्शन कहाँ से आया, so you will be having an answer that fraction is derived from a Latin word that is fractus, which means broken. Broken means splitting into different parts. So that is only fraction. अभी तो हमें पता चल गया कि फ्रैक्शन वर्ड आया कहाँ से. अब ये फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है इसको पता करते हैं. Okay guys, so here fraction represents the equal parts of a whole or a collection. Means क्या करता है ये फ्रैक्शन? फ्रैक्शन represents the equal parts of a whole or a collection. पूरे होल में जितने इक्वल पार्ट्स हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट करता है, या हमारे पास एक कलेक्शन है उसमें कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स हैं उनको रिप्रेजेंट करता है. ये तो डेफिनेशन हो गई. जब हम इसके एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे तो इट विल बी मोर एंड मोर क्लियर टू यू गाइस. सी हियर गाइस, दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट फिगर. हियर वी आर हैविंग ओनली वन होल. नो पार्टीशन इज देयर, नो पार्ट्स आर देयर, सो कंप्लीट वन इज देयर. होल इट इज. नाउ वी हैव जस्ट स्प्लिटेड दिस होल इनटू 2 equal parts. So how many equal parts we are having? 2 equal parts. And how many parts we have shared here? Colored here or shaded here? Only one part is shaded here. So at this top we will be having 1. Same for this, you can see these are what? These are the parts. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 parts. So here it is. And how much part is filled here? How much part is shaded here? 1 part is shaded. So 1 is here. Look at this same again. Here we are having, wait, let me take the pen. Okay, yeah, so guys you can see here we are having 1 2 3 4. It is again split into 4 parts, but the thing is how many parts are colored here? 3 parts. So we are having 3 by 4. So this is how we used to represent a fraction. And basically what fraction is, fraction represents the equal part of a whole. Complete हमारी फिगर के जितने equal parts होते हैं उनको represent करता है fraction. Equal parts को represent करता है fraction. ठीक है, आ गया समझ में? I hope fraction is clear to you guys. Any doubt, any confusion left? Comment down below. Okay. So now these are again we are having some of the examples. You can see here watermelon is my favorite fruit. Here we are having a complete watermelon, means complete whole we are having one whole. And now I have divided this watermelon into 2 equal parts. So here we can say 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. And when we will add these 2 parts, we will get the complete whole. Here you can see 2 by 2, which means 1, which I am getting the complete whole. So again you can see here I am dividing this. We have divided this watermelon into 4 equal parts. So it is coming 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, and we when you guys will add all these parts, you will see, let's see what we will get. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 by 4 is equal to 1 again. Again we got the whole part. Okay guys, so this is what this is, fraction, which tells us the equal parts of the whole. Okay, moving towards the next, that is fraction notation. This is the very important thing. इसमें बच्चों को बहुत confusion होता है, तो आप इसको अच्छे से सुनिएगा और पूरी वीडियो अच्छे से देखिएगा, ठीक है। अब फ्रैक्शन नोटेशन में क्या होता है, फ्रैक्शन हैज टू पार्ट्स। फ्रैक्शन के बेसिकली टू पार्ट्स होते हैं। द नंबर एट द टॉप ऑफ द लाइन इज कॉल्ड न्यूमरेटर। जैसे अभी हमने उस वाटरमेलन में देखा, लाइक 1 by 4 was there, so this is up one part, this is second part. So what is the above part of the line called? That is called numerator, which tells how many equal parts of the whole or a collection are taken. जो हमें ये न्यूमरेटर हमें बताता है कि हमने अपने होल के कितने पार्ट्स लिए हैं, कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स हैं और कितने हम इक्वल पार्ट्स की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। और एंड द नंबर बिलो द लाइन इज कॉल्ड डिनोमिनेटर, और हमारी जो नंबर लाइन के बिलो होता है, लाइन के नीचे जो नंबर होता है, दैट नंबर इज नोन एज डिनोमिनेटर। Okay guys, which shows the total divisible number of equal parts of the whole into total number of equal parts which are in the form of collection. Means denominator used to tell us the complete partitions, कि हमारे एक होल में कितने partitions हैं, total partition, total parts हमारे बताता है denominator, and the parts which we are taking in our figure, that is represented by numerator. Okay guys, you can see the example here. A yummy pizza is there, and this pizza is having how many? It is divided into 4 parts. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can see in the denominator we are having 4, and basically how many parts we are having? How many slices we are having? 1, 2 and 3. ये वाला slice तो कोई खा गया, तो हमारे पास 3 स्लाइसेस हैं, तो 3 आया हमारा न्यूमरेटर। मींस जब हम एक एग्जैक्ट नंबर की बात करते हैं, कितना पार्टीशन बचा है हमारे फिगर में, दैट कम्स इन न्यूमरेटर, एंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्टीशंस कम्स इन द डिनोमिनेटर. I hope this numerator and denominator are clear to you guys. Okay, now I am giving you some of the examples and let me know that what is numerator and what is denominator. Okay guys, so these are the things. 2 is what? 2 is numerator. 4 is what? 4 is denominator. Very good. 5 is again numerator. 8 is again denominator. Same for 1 is numerator. जो भी नंबर हमारे लाइन के ऊपर है that is numerator, और जो भी नंबर्स हमारे लाइन के नीचे है that is denominator. Okay guys, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर आर क्लियर टू यू। न्यूमरेटर क्या काम करते हैं? न्यूमरेटर बताते हैं कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स हमें क्वेश्चन में दे रखे हैं, और डिनोमिनेटर बताता है कि टोटल फिगर में टोटल इक्वल पार्ट्स कितने हैं हमारी एक फिगर में। ओके गाइस, आई होप दिस न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ आर क्लियर टू यू। ओके, एनी डाउट, एनी कंफ्यूजन? No need to worry. Priyal ma'am is always and always with you guys. Just comment down in the comment section and I'm going to clear that. Okay, next is numerical based on this numerator and denominator. Let us solve this numerical by which we will get to know कि हमें ये समझ में आया कि नहीं आया. So we are having an example. There are total 5 children. Okay, total we are having 5 children. Okay, 3 out of 5 are girls. In which girls कितनी है हमारे पास? Girls are 3. So what is the fraction of girls is? अब हमें बताना है गर्ल्स का क्या फ्रैक्शन होगा। अब आप बताइए कि हमारा फ्रैक्शन क्या होगा गर्ल्स का? टोटल गर्ल्स कितनी है? बात किसकी कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? कितना नंबर्स हम चेक कर रहे हैं? टोटल गर्ल्स हैं 3, क्योंकि हम यहाँ सिर्फ गर्ल्स की बात कर रहे हैं। और टोटल स्टूडेंट्स कितने हैं? टोटल चिल्ड्रन कितने हैं हमारे पास? टोटल चिल्ड्रन आर 5. So this is what? This is the fraction of our girls. And now if I am talking about boys, so let's see boys. How many boys we are having? 2 out of 5 means 2 boys we are having. अब boys का fraction कैसे निकलेगा? How many boys we are having? 2. And how many total students we are having? Total students we are having, that is 5. So fraction for boys will be 2 by 5. Quite easy students. मजा आ रहा है? बहुत ही easy और बहुत ही interesting सम्स होते हैं हमारे फ्रैक्शन और डेसिमल चैप्टर के. So just pen down this and note down in your rough copy and try to practice it and tell me in the comment section if you are facing any doubt, any confusion related to this. Okay, clear guys? Numerator, denominator, what is the use of numerator, what is the use of denominator? For that I have shown you a numerical too, by which I don't think there will be any confusion. Okay, very good. Moving towards the next, that is types of fraction. It is very important topic guys, believe me. So basically in our textbook there are 3 types of fraction which we were going to learn about. First one is proper fraction. First one is proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. And third one is mixed fraction. ओके, कौन कौन से फ्रैक्शंस है? 3 फ्रैक्शंस है हमारे, प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन एंड मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. ओके, अब हम पता करते हैं इन तीनों का काम क्या क्या है इंडिविजुअली. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन और व्हाट प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज इट इज व्हाट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, व्हाट इज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन एंड व्हाट एक्चुअली मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इज. ओके, चलें आगे. आर यू गाइस रेडी? ओके, so here we are having the next, that is proper fraction. What is proper fraction students? Proper fraction means proper, means complete, proper. Like here you can see the definition: fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator. हमें सिर्फ ये चीज याद रखनी है प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कि न्यूमरेटर हमेशा लेस देन होना चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर से. दैट इज ओनली प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. वेरी सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन इज देयर दैट न्यूमरेटर शुड बी ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर. अभी हमने पढ़ा था न्यूमरेटर क्या होता है? ऊपर वाला नंबर. डिनोमिनेटर इज द नीचे वाला नंबर. So numerator should always be less than denominator. For example, you can see here, like I am taking 5 by 8. Here numerator is what? Numerator is 5 and denominator is 8. So you guys can see here numerator is less than denominator. Okay, it is there na? It is less than denominator. 5 is less than 8. So whenever your number is less than, whenever your above number means numerator is less than the lower number of the denominator, then that type of fraction is known as proper fraction. You guys can see here. Here I am having a circle which is having complete 4 parts. So we have written the 4 in the denominator and shaded part is in 3. So here you can see this is n, this is d, where n is less than d means 3 is less than d. The 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. So whenever the condition is this, it is fulfilling the condition when numerator is less than denominator, then you can say that it is proper fraction. Okay guys, see the another example. Here we are having 2 by 3. Again here numerator is less than denominator, 2 is less than 3. So here we can say it is again a proper fraction. Same here we are having a spin wheel and in this spin wheel we are having total 10 parts from which 8 parts are shaded. 8 is what? 8 is numerator. D is what? D is denominator. 10 is what? 10 is denominator. And here we can again see n is smaller than d means 8 is smaller than 10. So we can say it is again a proper fraction. Okay students, I hope proper fraction is again clear to you. No issues, no doubts? Sure? Very good. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट टाइप के फ्रैक्शन, दैट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. नाउ व्हाट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन? Improper fraction is complete opposite from proper fraction. In proper fraction we was talking that numerator should be less than denominator. But in improper fraction we say that numerator is more than or equal to the denominator. मीन्स हमारा जो न्यूमरेटर होता है वो हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा होना चाहिए, ग्रेटर होना चाहिए या उसके इक्वल होना चाहिए. दैट आर इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक 5 अपॉन 2, 11 अपॉन 9, 23 अपॉन 4, 110 upon 2. So what is this? In this we are having numerator which is greater than denominator. So improper fraction आपको कैसे याद रखना है? Improper fraction are the fractions in which numerator is more and more than denominator. या तो denominator से बड़ा होगा या denominator के equal होगा. ठीक है, अब आप देखिए यहाँ पे here we are having a figure in which these both numerator and denominator both are equal, and if they are equal means they are improper fraction. Okay, you can see here it is 4 by 3 means 4 is numerator, 3 is denominator, where 4 is greater than 3 means numerator is greater than denominator, again means it is improper. And here again 5 is what? 5 is numerator, 4 is denominator. Here again numerator is greater than denominator means 5 is greater than 4, again it is improper. Clear students? So this is what these are improper fractions where numerator is greater than denominator or equal than denominator. Okay, so these are all the examples which I have told you. Here you guys can see here numerator is always greater than denominator or numerator should be equals to denominator. Okay, so what are these? These are improper fraction. I hope proper and improper fractions are clear to you. No doubt is there. If any doubt is there, no issues, comment down below. Okay guys, moving towards the last type of fraction, that is mixed fraction. अब ये mixed fraction क्या है? Mixed fraction consists of a whole number along with a proper fraction. Mixed fraction में क्या होता है? Mixed fraction में हमेशा एक whole number होता है और एक proper fraction होता है. Suppose I am giving you an example like let us take 3 as a whole number and proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator should be less than the denominator. So this is what? This is proper fraction. So here we can say this is mixed fraction. With mixed means what? Mixture. So here we are having the mixture of two types of number. First one is whole number which comes along with a fraction, and then after a proper fraction. Okay guys, now how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction into mixed fraction, that I am going to tell you, and that is really very important. क्या करते हैं आप देखिए, आपको इस टाइप का कुछ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन दिया होगा क्वेश्चन में, and it will ask from you guys that convert into a fraction. So what you will do, you have to just multiply your denominator with the whole number. आपको पहले क्या करना होता है? डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है होल नंबर से. व्हाटसोएवर डिजिट इट विल कम, देन यू हैव टू ऐड दैट डिजिट टू द न्यूमरेटर. सी हियर व्हाट यू विल गेट. 5 into 3 15. 15, after this 15 you have to add this 4 and you will get 15 plus 4 means 19 by 5. So this is what? This is your answer, जो कि हमारा हमेशा इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. इम्प्रॉपर में मतलब जहाँ न्यूमरेटर ग्रेटर देन हो डिनोमिनेटर के. So this is what? This is mixed fraction. How we used to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay guys, we will see some more examples. जिसकी टॉपिक बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगा. Okay guys, please this is the example which we are going to perform. Here we are having first one is 4 whole 1 by 2. Okay, now here you guys can see here what I have to do. I have to just multiply this number by 4. What I will get? 4 into 2. 2 into 4 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9 by 2. What I did here? I have just multiplied 2 into 4, then I have added 1 in it. I got 9 and denominator will be as same as it is in our mixed fraction. So this will be our answer. Okay guys, so here you can see numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, see here again in one example we are having 1 whole 2 by 5. So here what we are having? Just we have to convert it into our proper fraction. How to convert it? 2 5 into 1. 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 5. 2 into 5 into 1. What we have that? 5 multiply 1 plus 2. And we got 5 plus 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, that is 7 by 5. Okay students? Similarly, again we are having an example, that is 3 whole 4 by 3. What we have to do, just multiply it. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 4 is equals to 13 divided by 3. So here we go, this is our improper fraction. This is the technique how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. I hope this technique is clear to you. अब ये बात थी हम मिक्स्ड को इम्प्रॉपर में कैसे करते हैं, अब बात करते हैं हम इम्प्रॉपर को मिक्स्ड में कैसे करते हैं। देखते हैं, अगर कोई आपके पास अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा नंबर है नॉर्मल 9/2 और आपसे कोई बोलता है कि जस्ट राइट दिस 9/2 इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन, सो हाउ यू विल राइट इट? वेरी इजी इट इज गाइस, जस्ट डिवाइड दिस नंबर। डिवाइड सबको आता है, 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 9, व्हाट वी विल गेट? 2 in 4 divided 8, and here we will get 1. So what is the technique of writing this? Denominator will be as same as it is in the fraction 2. After that, quotient will be written as a whole number. So here what is quotient? Quotient is 4 and remainder is always written as a numerator. रिमाइंडर जो होता है वो हमेशा न्यूमरेटर लिखा जाता है। Here you can see this is 4 whole 1/2. This is how we got our improper fraction to mixed fraction. ठीक है, एक और करके देखते हैं, that is 7/5. We will divide 5/7. Let's see what we will get. This is we are getting now how we have to write, as I have told you, denominator should always be in the denominator. After that, remainder should be in the numerator. Remainder जो होता है वो हमेशा हमारा numerator में आता है, और जो हमारा quotient होता है that is always a whole number. So here 1 whole 2/5 is the mixed fraction of a improper fraction, that is 7/5. Okay students, very easy it is. I hope you all understood this topic. This is quite very simple. I am giving you some of the examples. Solve it by your own. Okay, so this is your homework from this part, that is you have to convert 7/4 into mixed. Then first it is this, and second you have to convert 9 3/12 into improper. Okay, these two questions I am giving to you homework, and let me know the answers in the comment section. Okay guys, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, so here we are having numericals, and that is very important, and you guys will see all these types of questions in your textbook as well. So let us see, and क्या बोल रहा है questions में, क्या करना है हमें. Ramesh solved 2/7 part of an exercise while Seema solved 4/5 of it. Who solved the lesser part? Suppose हमें आपको ये कोई एक स्पेशल टाइप के क्वेश्चन है बच्चों, जब भी आपके पास कोई दो फ्रैक्शंस हो और उन दो फ्रैक्शंस को कंपेयर करने के लिए बोला जाए, तो आपको क्या करना होता है, उन दोनों फ्रैक्शंस के डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल करने हैं. और डिनोमिनेटर्स कैसे इक्वल होते हैं, सबसे पहले हम अपने नंबर्स लिख लेते हैं. क्या क्या नंबर्स हैं अपने पास? दो नंबर हैं, 2/7 and 4/5. So firstly what we will take, we will take the LCM. 7 and 5 will take the LCM of denominator. This is the first step. Whenever you are having any sort of question, I am telling you the trick, where you are having two different denominators, so firstly take the LCM of that. After that your question will become so easy. Okay, so just take the LCM. Here just take the LCM. After taking the LCM, okay, this is what I have taken the LCM. Now 7 into 5, I'll get 35. So 35 is what? 35 is my LCM. So here I'll write my term 2/7, and now what I have to do, I have to just convert my denominator into the LCM. LCM लेना हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप हो गया. अब फर्स्ट स्टेप के बाद क्या करना है हमको ये जो डिनोमिनेटर है इसको 35 में कन्वर्ट करना है. मीन्स हम ऐसा क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें डिनोमिनेटर को कि हमें हमारा LCM मिल जाए. सो जस्ट थिंक व्हाट वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई इन 7 टू गेट 35. थिंक. Very good. We will multiply 5. So here whatsoever we are multiplying in the denominator, same number you have to multiply in the numerator as well. So it will be 2 into 5, 10 divided by 7 into 5, 35. Here we go. This is our number of Ramesh. Okay, this is how we have converted our 2 upon 7 into 10 by 35. Okay, now we will convert our second number, that is 4 by 5. Now what we should multiply to 5 to get the denominator 35, to make the denominator 35. Think. Very good. We will multiply 7 here. Whatsoever, you have to keep this thing in your mind. Whatsoever we are multiplying in denominator, that same thing we have to multiply in the numerator as well. Okay. So here we have multiplied 7 by denominator. We will multiply 7 by numerator, same. So what we will get? 7 into 4, we will get 28 upon 4. 7 into 5, we will get 35. And this is the ratio for, this is the fraction for Seema. Now question is asking who solved the lesser part. Here you are having, now just tell me 10 by 35 and 28 by 35. Who solved the lesser part? 10 by 35 means Ramesh solved the lesser part. So yeah, you can write down, hence Ramesh solved the lesser part. This is how we solve that question, and this trick is really very simple. This method is very simple, and this method is going to help you to solve various types of questions. So what we have learned from this type of numerical, whenever we are having two different fractions and the question is asking for the comparison, then firstly we have to convert the denominator equal. And how to convert the denominator equal? We will take the LCM first. After taking the LCM first, just convert that denominator as same as the LCM, and whatsoever number you are multiplying to convert it, you have to multiply the same number with the numerator as well. After that, whatsoever number you will be having two numbers, after that you can compare those two numbers and then you will get your required answer. Okay students, I hope this numerical is very clear to you. Any doubt, any confusion, no need to worry, I am always there. Comment down below. Okay? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. This is another type of example. अब इस example में क्या है? Samira purchased 3 whole 1/2 kg apples and 4 whole 3/4 kg oranges. What is the total weight of fruits purchased by her? अब इसमें क्या है? समीरा ने 3 whole 1/2 एप्पल्स खरीदे और 4 whole 3/4 ऑरेंजेस खरीदे. उसने टोटल वेट कितना खरीदा? आपको एक मैं सिचुएशन देती हूँ. सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू द मार्केट and from market you are bringing 5 kg of tomato and 7 kg of potato. 5 kg tomato and 7 kg of potato. So how much total vegetables you bought from the market? What you will do? 7 plus 5. You will do this only. The 7 was potato and 5 is tomato. You will just add those numbers. Similarly, we are having the same condition that Samira इतना एप्पल लेकर आती है, इतना ऑरेंजेस लेकर आएंगे, तो टोटल वेट कितना है उसके पास. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑरेंजेस कितने हैं? फर्स्टली oranges, how many oranges are there? 4 whole 3/4. Okay, and how many apples are there? Apples are 3 whole 1/2. This is only we are having. This is not minus, this is okay. This. So now what we have to do, we have to just convert this mixed into a fraction. पहले तो हम इसे improper fraction में convert करते हैं. अभी हमने सीखा improper में कैसे convert करते हैं. 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 3, 19/4. This is our number for oranges. Same for apple we will do. 2 into 3, 6, and after this you have to plus 1, that is 7/2. कैसे आया? 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7/2. So this is what? This is apple, this is oranges, and these are apples. So now we have to find the total weight. How to find the total weight? What to do to find the total weight? We have to just sum down, we have to total it, we have to add it. So just 19/4 plus 7/2. Now what you have to to do? You have to just add it by taking the LCM. We have learned this in class 6 as well. So 4 and 2 LCM we will get 4 divided by 19 into 1 plus 2 into 4. 2 divided by 4, 2. 7 into 2. Let's see what we are getting. 19 plus 14 divided by 4. And we got here 19 plus 14, 19 and 10, 29 and 4, 33 by 4. 33 is the total weight. Okay students, now you can also convert this 33 into mixed fraction. अब आप इसको mixed fraction में convert कर सकते हैं. कैसे करना है अभी बताया था. Just एक normal divide है. Just divide 4 by 33 and see what we are getting. 4 divided 8 gives us 32 and here 1. So just अभी मैंने आपको बताया था denominator as it is. Where we have to write the quotient. Quotient is always a whole number and remainder comes in numerator. Okay, so here what was our quotient? That was 8 and what was our remainder? That is 1. And you can check your answer by solving this. Check it down. 8 into 4, 32 plus 1, 33 by 4. So this is what? This is your required answer. Okay students, I hope this numerical is also clear to you. Whenever it will ask for total or something for like how much it is, so it will be like you have to do the total for it, and for totaling you used to do addition. Okay, so how I have how I have just convert mixed into improper and improper into mixed. It is clear to you guys? Very good. Moving towards the next, that is again numerical we are having. Let us see what it is saying. Solution. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 बार. ठीक है, Michael अपनी पिक्चर को कलर करके फिनिश करता है 7 by 12 बार में. Weber finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer and what fraction was it longer? As I have told you कि जब भी दो फ्रैक्शन दे रखे हो और दो डिफरेंट डिनोमिनेटर्स दे रखे हो तो क्या करते हैं हम उसका LCM लेते हैं. वेरी गुड. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग लाइक Michael has worked for 7 by 12 hours and Weber has worked for 3 by 4 hours. Okay, so now we will take the LCM of what? LCM of denominators. Here we are having 12 and 4. What LCM we will get? 2, 6, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. So here 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12 is what? 12 is our LCM. Now we will convert the denominators into 12 by multiplying something. So here you can see this is only 12 again, so no need to convert this. We will convert the second, that is 3 by 4. What we will multiply it by 4 to make it 12? Very good. We will multiply it by 3. Same we will multiply in the numerator. Numerator को हम उसी से multiply करते हैं जिसको denominator से किया है. कोई दो numbers अलग-अलग नहीं हो सकते बच्चों. ठीक है? तो जो हम multiplication numerator में use करेंगे वही multiplication हम denominator. जो multiplication denominator में use होगा वही multiplication numerator में भी use होगा. So here what we will get? 3 into 3, 9 by 12. Okay, so here I was having 7 by 12 and here I am having 9 by 12. So which one is greater? Michael is 7 by 12 or 9 by 12? Ma'am, 9 by 12 is only greater and 9 by 12 was of Weber. So we can say who worked longer? Weber worked longer. Weber worked longer. Okay? Now second part is by what fraction was it longer? उसने लॉन्गर काम तो किया लेकिन कितना ज्यादा लॉन्गर काम किया. तो हम दोनों को क्या अब ज्यादा बड़ा कौन था? वेबर वाला टाइम बड़ा था क्योंकि वेबर ने ज्यादा काम किया. So here for the second part we will subtract the timers of both and then we will find out कि वेबर ने कितना ज्यादा काम किया. So 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12, what we will get? We will get 2 by 12 and after reducing it we can get it 1 by 6. So this is our answer by which 1 by 6 times more. 1 by 6 is the than Michael. Okay students, I hope this type of numerical is also clear to you. This will be found in your textbook as well. Only these types of numericals you will find. First numerical we have did for adding, and this is the numerical we have did for subtracting. Okay, I hope these both numericals are clear to you guys, performed in your practice copy as well. Okay. Okay guys, moving towards the next topic. This is a very important topic, that is multiplication of fraction. Now what is this multiplication of fraction? हमने multiplication of whole numbers किया है, multiplication of natural numbers किया है, अब हम करेंगे multiplication of fraction. And believe me guys, it is going to really fun and very interesting topic it is. Yes, very interesting it is. Okay guys, so we are having just 3 simple steps to multiply a fraction. हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए क्या करते हैं? अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि आप 5 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 10 से, तो आप जल्दी से बता दोगे 50. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 7 into 3, you will just give me the answer 21. If I will say that multiply 182 by 2, again you will multiply these numbers and you will give me the answer like 2 into 2 4, 2 into 8 16, carry 1, 2 1 1 and 1 3. You will finally give me the answer. आप जल्दी से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, मेरे को आंसर दे दोगे. तो ये तो है हमारे नॉर्मल नेचुरल नंबर्स और होल नंबर्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अब हम लर्न करेंगे कि हम मल्टीप्लाई फ्रैक्शंस के कैसे करते हैं. So guys, we are having just 3 steps. Multiply the top numbers. टॉप नंबर्स कौन से होते हैं हमारे? न्यूमरेटर्स. वेरी गुड. तो हमें क्या करना है? सबसे पहले स्टेप में अपने दोनों न्यूमरेटर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सपोज आई एम हैविंग अ नंबर a upon b and b upon c. Okay, 2 numbers I am having. What I will do, I will just multiply these 2 numbers. So I will just multiply the numerator first. So when you will multiply the numerator, what you will get? AB. Okay, after that second step is multiply the bottom numbers, that are denominators. फिर आपको denominators का multiplication करना है, that is BC. After this, simplify the fraction if needed. Simplify means reduce the fraction if needed. अगर आपको fraction को reduce करने की need हो रही है, मतलब वो किसी से simplify हो रहा है, तो आप उसको simplify करिए. नहीं हो रहा तो just let it be, leave it as it is. So here you can see the numerical example we are having, that is 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 8. So what we have to do? What is our first step? Multiply the top numbers. Top numbers कौन से थे हमारे यहाँ पे? 2 into 1 means multiplying of numerators, divided by 5 into 8. What now you have to do? You have to just multiply 5 into 8. After this, let's see what we are getting, because we have multiplied numerator 2 and we have multiplied denominator 2. So 2 into 1, 2 divided by 5 into 8. What we will get? 40. Very good. So this is what? This is our multiplication, and our last step is simplify if the fraction is needed. अगर आपके fraction में simplification की need है, तो आप उसको simplify करिए, उसको काटिए, means उसको reduce करिए. So here I have to divide this whole number by a same number, that is 2. अब हमको simplify करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? हमें ये देखना होगा कि numerator और ऐसी कौन सी table है जिसमें numerator भी आता हो और denominator भी आता हो. 2 ही है, 2 में 2 भी आता है और 2 में 40 भी आता है. So just divided by 2, 1 जा 2 and 2 20 40. So this will be our answer, 1 by 20. Okay students, I hope multiplication is clear to you. We will move towards the next. We will move further some examples and it will be more clear. क्योंकि examples तो बहुत important है. जब तक हम practice नहीं करेंगे, हमें math समझ में नहीं आएगी. Math is just a practical subject. आपको practice करनी ही है maths में. ठीक है, तो चलो और क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं. Oh yeah, we are having so many questions now. So guys, one note is there that off represents multiplication, means whenever you find off between two fractions, that means just blindly you have to multiply those numbers. Okay, so just see what it is there in the first one, that is 5 into 2 by 3. So here, if nothing is there in the denominator, we just assume 1 is there. Okay, so just multiply the numerators. 5 into 2 divided by 1 into 3. Let's see what we are getting. 10 by 3. So now 10 by 3 is already in the reduced form because no table is there which is containing 10 and 3 as well. So this is what? This is our answer. Okay. Now see the next one, that is 3 by 2 into 4 by 6. Okay. Just multiply these two numbers, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So here we are having 3 into 4 upon say 2 into 6. What we will get? 12 upon 12. Just simplify it. We will get 1 and 1 is our answer. Okay. Now see the next, that is 9 by 7 into 6 by 4. Again we will do 9 into 6. What we will find? What we will get? 9 into 6, 54 upon 7 into 4. What we will get? 28. Very good. Now what is the number which is divisible by 54 and 28? Think. We just divide it by 2s, like 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So this is our number that I am getting, 27 by 14, and this is now simplified. It can't be simplified further. A note for you guys here, just one note for you guys, note it down. The numbers which are having 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their ones place, those numbers are divisible by 2. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नोट. जिन भी नंबर्स के फर्स्ट डिजिट में हमारा 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 आता है, वो नंबर हमारे 2 से डिविजिबल होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, दैट इज 6 by 5 of. As I have told you at the starting of the slide, of means multiplication. Very good. So I just put a multiply and same procedure is there. Just multiply 6 into 5. What we will get? 30 divided by 5 into 2, 10. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 10, 3s are 30. So here I am getting 3 by 1 or just 3. This is my answer. Okay guys, clear? Moving towards the last, again of is there. Of means multiplication. Just keep this thing in your mind. Wherever of is coming between two fractions, that means you have to multiply that fraction. 1 by 2 into 3 by 3. Just multiply it. 3, 1 into 3, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Just cut it down, reduce now. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So here 1 by 2 is our required answer. Okay guys, I hope these fractions are clear to you. Multiplication of fraction is clear to you. How we are multiplying, how we are using, how we are converting of into a multiply sign. Any doubt, any confusion, no need to worry. I am always there. Just comment down below guys. ओके अब हम देखते हैं ऐसी कुछ न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम्स और देखते हैं हम कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन और ऑफ का इसमें यूज होता है. आर यू गाइस रेडी? चलिए. सो हियर वी आर हैविंग अ न्यूमेरिकल वेयर क्या बोल रहा है ये, विद्या एंड प्रताप वेंट फॉर अ पिकनिक. वाओ, विद्या एंड प्रताप वेंट फॉर अ पिकनिक. देयर मदर गेव देम अ वाटर बॉटल दैट कंटेन 5 लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर. ठीक है, विद्या और प्रताप पिकनिक के लिए गए हैं और उनकी मम्मा ने उनको एक वाटर बॉटल दी है जो कि 5 लीटर्स है उसमें वाटर. विद्या कंज्यूम 2 by 5 लीटर ऑफ वाटर. विद्या ने 2 by 5 वाटर कंज्यूम कर लिया. प्रताप कंज्यूम द रिमेनिंग वाटर. प्रताप ने बाकी का जितना पानी बचा हुआ था उतना पानी पी लिया. ठीक है, अब क्वेश्चन है हाउ मच वाटर डिड विद्या ड्रिंक. नाउ योर क्वेश्चन इज विद्या ने कितना वाटर ड्रिंक किया. तो सबसे पहले टोटल वाटर कितना है. टोटल वाटर वी आर हैविंग 5 liters. 5 liters 5 liters water we are having. Now विद्या ने कितना कंज्यूम किया. Now Vidya has consumed 2/5 liters of water, of total water. Okay, so how much total water we are having students? Of means multiply, and how much total water we are having? 5. Very good. So just cut this 5 by 5, or you can simply multiply it also. You can also do it like this. 5 2 into 5, 10 upon 5, 5 1s are 5 2s are. So in total it is 2 liters water. So Vidya drank 2 liters of water. So this is our first part, जिससे हमें पता चला कि हमने विद्या ने कितना पानी पिया. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, क्या किया हमने? विद्या ने 2/5 वाटर लिया था टोटल वाटर के, 2/5 वाटर कंज्यूम किया था टोटल वाटर के. और टोटल वाटर कितना था हमारा? टोटल वाटर 5 था. एंड ऑफ मींस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. वी हैव जस्ट solved this fraction and we got the answer like 2 liters of water is drank by Vidya. Okay, now the second part is, what is the fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? अब प्रताप ने कितना पानी पिया है? We are having total water was 5, Vidya drank 2 liter. So Pratap drank total water minus water drank by Vidya. Total water drank minus water drank by Vidya. So what is the total water we were having? 5 liter of water they were having. Vidya drank 2 liters of water. कितना पानी बचा? 3 liters water was drank by Pratap. अब हमें इससे पता चला कि प्रताप ने 3 liter water drank किया था. अब इसमें ये है what fraction. फ्रैक्शन हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो बस हमें ये पता चला कि प्रताप ने पानी पिया 3 liters. ठीक है, और टोटल पानी कितना था? हाउ मच वाज द टोटल वाटर? 5. सो दिस इज द फ्रैक्शन व्हिच प्रताप drank the water. Okay guys, our question was what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So we have found out that total liter of water drank by Pratap was 3 liter. Now we are just converted into the fraction. How to convert into the fraction that you guys are very much aware about. How to do it? Just write down the total amount of water drank by him. So you have just written 3 divided by 5. So this is what 3 by 5 is a fraction amount drank by Pratap. Okay, is it clear? Okay, moving towards the next. I hope this topic is clear to you. Just perform this thing in your practice notebook and let me know whether you guys are what answers you are getting. Okay, moving towards the next one, that is, these are some of the examples related to the multiplication. We will going to solve it. That is, first one is 2 by 5 into 5 whole 4 by 5. Now we are very much aware about कि हमें अपना mixed fraction को कैसे convert करना है improper fraction में. That only we will do. So here 2 by 5 into, just convert this mixed fraction. 5 into 5 25, 25 plus 4 29 by 5. Now what we have to do? Just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 29 into 2, what we will get? We will get 58 divided by 25. This is our answer. Okay, this is how we have multiplied it. Very easy it is, right? So here what we have did, we have just converted our mixed fraction into improper fraction before multiplying. Okay, see the next example, that is 6 by 5 multiply 1 whole 2 by 3. Again what we have to do, just convert it into a improper fraction, that is 6 by 5 into 3 into 1 3 plus 2 5 by 3. So here we are having 6 into 5 30 divided by 5 into 3 is 15. So here what we will do, we will just reduce it, and after reducing, just divided by 15. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So here we go, this is our answer, that is 2 by 1. Okay, see the last example, that is 3 whole 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Now what is this, students? Now we will convert this mixed fraction again in a proper number. Just convert it down. 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 2 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. So after multiplying, what we will get? Multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. After multiplying, what we will get? 4 into 7, 28. 4 into 4, 5 and 6, 68 divided by 35. This is what? This is our number. This is our answer after solving this fraction, that is 3 whole 2 by 5 into 4 divided by 7. Okay students, I hope this multiplication is clear to you. This is only multiplication is quite easy. Just you guys have to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator just by converting mixed into improper. Okay. Okay, moving further to the next topic, that is Lipika reads a book for one whole 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Now what we have to do, we are having a numerical here. Lipika reads a book for one whole 3 by 4 hours every day. वो डेली इतना अमाउंट ऑफ बुक का रीड करती है and reads the entire book in 6 days. और पूरी बुक 6 days में रीड करती है. How many hours all is required by her to read the book? बस अब क्या है? Very easy it is. Just write the statements that Lipika reads one whole 3 by 4 hours every day. Okay, and she read the books and she read the entire book. Entire book she read in 6 days. Okay, we have to find out how many hours in all were required to complete the book. जब वो इतना टाइम एक दिन को दे रही है, she reads a book for इतना hours every day, हर रोज वो इतने आवर पढ़ती है, तो फिर 6 days में वो कितने आवर पढ़ेगी? सपोज आई एम गिविंग यू एन एग्जांपल कि आप एक दिन में 2 hours पढ़ते हो, ठीक है, आप 3 दिन में कितने hours पढ़ोगे? Just you have to multiply 3 into 2, means in total you will read 6 hours. Same we have to do in this. First of all, we will convert this mixed into improper, that is 1 whole 3 by 4. So here we will get it 1 into 4 into 1, that is 1 plus 3, that is 7 by 4 hours. She reads daily. Okay. Now you have to find 6 days. So just for hours she spend dash hours to complete her book. अब इसको फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करना होगा? जस्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट 6 into 7 by 4. What we will get? We will get, just multiply numerator by numerator and then denominator by denominator. If no denominator is there, just assume 1 is there. 6 into 7 we will get 42 upon 4 into 1 we will get 4. Now just reduce the number by 2, like 4 to 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This is our number. This is the complete hours she spent in 6 days to complete her book. That is 21 by 2. So yeah, we can say 21 by 2 hours is the complete hours she spent in 6 days to read her book, to complete her book. Okay students, I hope this numerical is also clear to you. Any doubt, any confusion, comment down below. And this is a question from your exercise on your textbook. Now I am moving towards my next topic, that is division. We all have read in our junior classes multiplication also, division also, of whole numbers, of like natural numbers. Now we will going to learn the division for fractions. Division for fractions, how to divide the fraction. So only basic 3 simple steps are there. What are these steps? Flip the division into a reciprocal, change the division sign into a multiplication symbol and multiply. Simplify और answer if possible. बहुत easy है. क्या है इसमें? सबसे पहला step है आपका, suppose you are having a number like 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 4. Suppose you are having this example. Now you have to divide this two fractions. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to flip the division into a reciprocal. Reciprocal क्या होता है? पढ़ा था हमने लास्ट टाइम. जस्ट यू हैव टू फ्लिप फ्लॉप द डिजिट्स, दैट इज ओनली द रेसिप्रोकल. So what you have to do, first step is 3 by 2 divided by, just reciprocate the divisor. So here 4 divided by 1. Now third step is change the division sign into a multiplication symbol. So अब क्या करना है, अब हमें divide का sign change करना है multiply के sign में, और just normally जैसे अभी हमने पहले सीखा कि multiply कैसे करते हैं, वही हमें normal multiply करना है. यहाँ पे 12 upon 2, that is 6. So here 6 is my required answer. So simple guys. So basically we are having 3 steps in division. First of all we have to flip our divisor into a reciprocal. Then we have to convert, or you can say we have to change our multiplication symbol into, we have to change the division symbol into our multiplication symbol. After that, if it is required or if it is possible, then simplify or just reduce your answer which you got. Okay. Moving further, let us see some more examples. Okay, this is reciprocal. So as I have told you earlier, reciprocal क्या है? Reciprocal is like turning the number upside down. Numbers को upside down करना. जैसे कि you can see here we are having example 4 by 3. If you are reciprocating this number, that means it will become like 3 by 4. If I am having the example 5 by 2, it will be giving me after reciprocating 2 by 5. If I am having 7 by 8, it will give me 8 by 7. If I am having just 3, so it will be giving 3 means 3 by 1 I am having, it will give me 1 by 3. So this is what? This is reciprocal of any of the fraction, any of the number. ठीक है, अब रेसिप्रोकल बिल्कुल क्लियर हो गया. चलो अब डिवीजन के कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. इट विल बी मोर एंड मोर क्लियर. सी हियर वी आर हैविंग 3 by 4 divided by 2. As I have told you, first step was you have to just flip your divisor in a reciprocal form. So here we are having 3 by 4 divided by, flip this number 2. What will be the reciprocal for 2? 2 means 2 by 1. The reciprocal of it will be 1 by 2. Just reciprocate this term, that will be 1 by 2. Now what you have to do, you have to just convert this divide sign into a multiplication sign, that is multiply 1 by 2. Now अब क्या करना है, just multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. You will get your required answer. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 2, 8. So here we go. This is how we have got our answer, that is 3 by 8. Okay students, I hope it is clear. Now see the another example we are having, that is 4 divided by 1 by 2. First step क्या था? Same, we have to flip our divisor, that is 2. Now just convert the division sign into multiplication sign and multiply the terms, that will be your required answer. Okay, I hope it is clear to you how to divide the terms. Let us see some more examples. It will be more and more clear. See here, we are having a mixed number here. कैसे ऐड करना है इसको? 4 whole 2 by 5 divided by 3 by 6. सबसे बेसिक स्टेप, तो कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, मल्टीप्लाई हो, डिवीजन हो, एडिशन हो, सब्सट्रैक्शन हो, हमें अपने मिक्स्ड नंबर को इम्प्रॉपर में कन्वर्ट करना होता है. ठीक है, तो दैट ओनली वी विल डू हियर. वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर इनटू अ इम्प्रॉपर, दैट इज 5 into 4, 20 plus 2, that is 22 by 5 divided by 3 by 6. So here we will see 22 by 5. Now what we have to do? We have to flip our number, flip our divisor. So we will flip our divisor, that is 6 by 3. Now third step is just convert the symbol of division into multiplication. Just convert the symbol of division into multiplication and just multiply the number. You will get your required answer. Let us multiply it. To 22 into 6, what we will get? 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 12 upon 13. 132 divided by 15. So this is what? This is our number which we are getting after dividing 4 whole 2 by 5 to 3 by 6. Okay guys, clear? Moving towards the next example, that is 3 whole 1 by 5 divided by, again I am having two mixed numbers here, 1 whole 2 by 3. सिंपल, सबसे पहले तो मिक्स्ड को हमें कन्वर्ट करना है इम्प्रॉपर में. वी आर कन्वर्टिंग लाइक 5 into 3 15 और 1 16 by 5 divided by 3 into 1 3 4 5 5 by 3. Now these are the normal integers बन गए. अब क्या, 16 by 5 divided by flip flop the number, that is 3 by flip flop the number, that is 3 by 5. Third step is now convert the divide sign into the multiplication sign and you will get, okay wait, you will get your required answer whatsoever. So just what you guys have to do, find out the answer of this and let me know in the comment section. Okay. Okay, we are having some more examples. Let us see here. We are having 3 whole 5 by 2 divided by 2 whole 1 by 4. Now what we will do, we will just convert the number, that is 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 5 11 by 2 divided by 2 4 into 2, that is 8 and 1 9 by 4. Now just flip flop the number, 11 by 2. I am just using second step and third step in the same, like I am just converting multiply also and I am just flipping and flopping the number also. Just multiply it. 44 by 18 is our required answer. If you can simplify it, well and good, simplify it. I am cutting it by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 upon 2 9s are. So this 22 upon 9 is my required answer. Okay guys, clear? Let us see the last example. From this it will be more and more clear. That is 3 whole 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 4. Only one number is there which we have to convert into improper. That is 3 3s are 9 and 4. That is 13 by 3 divided by 2 by 4. And see here, 13 2s are 26. Wait. What we have to do? We have to just flip and converted number, like we will do 13 by 3 into 4 by 2 and see here what we are getting. 13 into 4 12, 4 and 1 52 divided by 3 2s are 6. This is our required number. If you can simplify it, well and good, simplify it. And after simplifying we will get, just cut it down with 2, we will get 2 26 divided by 3. So this is what, this is how we can solve our division problems. And in this today's video I have told you how to solve multiplication, what are fractions, how many types of fractions are there, how to solve the numericals based problems related to fractions, how to solve multiplication, how to solve division. So I hope all these questions are clear to you. Now for today's homework is just go through your book exercise, go through your textbook and solve the related questions of it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much guys. And wait, if your brother, sister, friends or any relative are preparing for 11, 12, 9, 10, so ask them, tell them they don't need not to go anywhere, because Unacademy is providing separate channels for each of them, even for the competitive exams. If any one of your friends, relative is preparing for NEET and JEE, then ask them that they can easily join our Unacademy NEET and Unacademy JEE, from where they can get all their studying material at the same place. So yeah guys, before leaving, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then what you guys are waiting for? Subscribe the channel right now. Hit the bell icon, and yes, if you liked my video, then please like my video, share my video. I will be there with so many updates in the next video with so many different topics. Till then guys, stay safe, stay home, eat more, dance, and yeah, study hard. See you in the next video. Bye bye.